Hello, this is Janie, and we're doing a presentation on 6th grade geometry. We'll be discussing 4 shapes, and the 4 shapes are triangle, square, rectangle, circle. With each one, we have the formulas underneath: pi r squared for the circle, length times width for the rectangle, side square for the triangle for the square, and 1/2 base times height for the triangle. Here are some examples of the area of circle, area of rectangle, area of square, and area of triangle. We'll go through each step by step. For area of circle, sorry about that, got me still playing. Area of circle is pi r square, area equal pi r square with the radius being 3, and the pi equal numerical form 3.14. So you get 3 squared times 3.14, we get 9 times pi. You can leave it at 9 pi, or the answer will be 28.26. Rectangle, area equal length times width, we equal 4 times 2, where area equal 8. With the square, you have the side square, which would be 9 is the numerical form for the side. 9 squared would be 91, area equal 81, excuse me. With the triangle, you have base is 10, the height is 15, 1/2 base times height be 1/2 5, 1/2 10 would equal be 5. 5 times 15 we can 75. So that's 1/2 base times height. We will also be discussing this in an everyday life, real world problem. Like if you're doing things like measuring the house, measuring problem in your house, square footage, measure a kite, measure anything. We have an example for that coming up next. Here's 2 examples of the real world problems you may come up with. For example, trying to make a kite for your kid, or trying to measure for how much paint you're going to use, how many paint you're going to need in order to paint your house. You need to know the square footage of your house to determine how much paint you're going to need. Alright, first you have to solve for both triangles. There's 2 sets of triangles on the kite. You have the upper half and lower half. You have to add both the bases together, which would be 11 plus 11. You add both the height together with 24 plus 12. While applying both the triangle formula with 1/2 base times height, with the base being 22 times the height, which add 12 plus 24, which would be 36. So you have 36 times 22 would be a 792 divided by 2. And your total answer for the kite would be area equal 396 inches square. Now you're here with a shape of a house. With the shape of the house, you have 2 formulas you have to work with. With the 2 formulas you're working with, one is a triangle, one would be the rectangle. The formula for triangle, 1/2 base times height. The formula for a rectangle, the length times width. You can solve for both of them. You got the triangle be 32. 16 plus 16 is 32 times 8. Okay, divide by 2. The rectangle the same way, has the length times the width. It'll be 26 times 12. You combine those numbers together. 256 divided by 2 will be 126, and 16 times 12 is 312. 312 is the answer for the rectangle. You combine the area of the rectangle plus the area of the square, the total answer will be 440 feet per square. This ends my presentation of 6th grade geometry, studying the shapes: rectangle, square, circle, and triangle. Thank you.